flowing falls upon the shifting snow. Into the drifts of snowflakes falling, thirsting for all my burning woe, thirsting for all my burning woe. When the grasses sprout in spring, there comes again a warming breeze. With the ice in shattering pieces, far and away the soft snow flees. Far and away the soft snow flees. Only the snow knows of my longing. Speak, where does your trailway go? For my deeds, they'll lead you onward to the brook, away they flow. To the brook, away they flow. Flow with the brook through town and city, in and out of bustling estates. When you feel my teardrops